upon moving further, we have another question of the same category. X minus 1 upon x is given. We have to find x plus 1 upon x and x square minus 1 upon x square. We have this as a negative term, x minus 1 upon x, but we have to find the positive in between. So we will square it so that we can get it. As we did earlier, I'm going to show you how it works. X minus 1 upon x bracket raised to square is equal to 8 square. Now here x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. This is as per the identity. 64, 8 8 is 64. Now transpose this 2 to the other side. What will happen? X square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 64 plus 2. This is negative 2. It goes here. It becomes positive 2. Now this is how much it is? 66. But we don't have this. Then why did we find? You must be wondering. We will add 2 to this. It will become x plus 1 upon x bracket raised to square. That's why we have done this. Okay. So here x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 66 we got. Now what we will do is we will add 2 on both sides. X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 is equal to 66 plus 2. Now this is a square. What square it is? It is x plus 1 upon x bracket raised to square. Look here, x plus 1 upon x bracket raised to square is equal to 68. Now we need it's a square root, means x plus 1 upon x only we need. So this will be x plus 1 upon x is equal to square root 68. This is how it is calculated. Now can you change this into any square, perfect square and non-perfect square? You must do it. Here I don't see any number which can come, means the minimum one is 4. We can. Okay, do this one as 1 second. We'll see what are the 68 prime factors will be. 2 3s are 2 4s are again 2s are 2 17s are. So it is 4 into 17 we will get. 4 means what? 2 can be taken outside, plus or minus 2 root 17. You can write this 2 root 17. This is first part. Now we have to find the second part, x square minus 1 upon x square. Now x square minus 1 upon x square is nothing but a square minus 1 upon a square minus b square. Now how will you get the a square minus b square? By multiplying a plus b into a minus b, like that you should get these values. Now this value is x plus 1 upon x, we have got plus or minus 2 root 17, and we already have in the given x minus 1 upon x. I'll show you what and how to do. Now we are going to find this second part, x square minus 1 upon x square. So this is what? A square minus b square. So what you should write? X plus 1 upon x, that is a plus b, into x minus 1 upon x, that is a minus b. Now a minus b is given here. Okay, this will write as 8. Now in the other part what we are supposed to write? Plus or minus 2 root 17. Now what is the multiplication of this? Plus or minus 8 2 is 16, 16 root 17. This is what you are going to write. This will be the answer of these two sub questions. Moving ahead, we have another question. Let me write it down. We have a question. Till now we had x plus 1 upon x or x minus 1 upon x. Right now we have x square plus 1 upon x square itself is 7. Okay, now from the given, how will we solve? Is x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 7. If I add or subtract, we must be getting the complete term, that is bracket raised to square. Like what? X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 on both sides. If I do, the balancing will be done. So you can write this as x plus 1 upon x bracket raised to square is equal to 9. So x plus 1 upon x is how much? Square root of 9. Square root of 9 is what? Positive or negative 3. Actually this always should be written as square root 9, and then x plus 1 upon x is equal to plus or minus 3. See, we got the first one, that is x plus 1 upon x is plus or minus 3. Now what would have happened if I would have subtracted 2? That's what I'm going to show you. Okay, here if we subtract 2, look at this. This is same. I'm subtracting 2 from the left side and subtracting 2 from the right side. This whole would have become x minus 1 upon x bracket raised to square is equal to minus 2 is what? 5. So x minus 1 upon x is equal to square root of 5. Now we got x plus 1 upon x as plus or minus 3 and x minus 1 upon x as root 5. Now if at all we multiply these two, we are going to get something. Check it out what it is. I will write the question and then start. The third part is 2x square minus 2 by x square. Now look, it's given that 2x square minus 2 upon x square. This also can be written as 2 can be taken common and x square minus 1 upon x square we can write. But what is this again? A square minus b square. You can write it as 2 into bracket x plus 1 upon x, that is a plus b into a minus b. Now what happens here? We already got x plus 1 upon x and we have x minus 1 upon x. Now see, 2 into bracket, what is this? Plus or minus 3 into root 5. Root 5 will remain same only, but these two can get multiplied. Plus or minus will remain 6 root 5. What is 6 root 5? 2x square minus 2 upon x square is plus or minus 6 root 5. This is what the question is about. Here we have one more question of the same category. It is given that a is equal to 1 upon a minus 5. A is not equal to 5 or 0. We are supposed to find a minus 1 upon a. I have taken only a minus 1 upon a. Why? Because it is similar to that of the question what I solved earlier. So you may follow that and do this question. Now first let me show you how we can get a minus 1 upon a. Now here transpose the things, that is denominator to the left hand side and this a to the right hand side. Now look, this one, a minus 5 is equal to 1 by a. Now transpose 1 by a this side and 5 this side. A minus 1 by a is equal to 5. This was positive, it came to the opposite side, it becomes negative. 5 is negative, it goes to the right hand side or the opposite side, it becomes positive. So a minus 1 by a is 5. Now squaring both sides, you can get the square as well as positive a plus 1 upon a and a square minus 1 upon a square also you can get, and a square plus 1 upon a square you will get in between steps only. I have explained already such type of question with x minus 1 upon x equal to 8. In that you will get this. So you please try and let me know.